Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. धीरे से अंश. Why? What happened?
No, nothing.
You're crying?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Today we are starting with our lesson. Wait, I'll share the screen with you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Class. Today's day is
Monday.
Monday. And mm, M O
M-O.
M O then
Man. M-O. Students, we are starting with our last chapter of our final syllabus, The Enchanted Pool. Now, this enchanted pool the Mahabharata, the ancient Sanskrit epic poem, narrates the struggle between two groups of cousins. कौन-कौन से थे दो groups? कौन-कौन से थे? कौन बताएगा? महाभारत के दो
मैम
main
कौरवा और पांडवा.
Kauravs and Pandavas. Fine. So उनके दोनों के बीच में there was a fierce battle which took place in the ground of Kurukshetra, and this in the Kurukshetra war, and also tell us about the lives of the prince and their successors. Successors means जो उनके बाद आए उनकी life के बारे में भी ये epic हमें बताता है. This our religious book, our scripture, महाभारत. एंड ये उस टाइम की स्टोरी है, उसमें से लिया गया एक छोटा सा पार्ट है जिसमें तब की बात करी गई है व्हेन द पांडवास दे हैव लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग व्हिच वाज देयर विद देम इन द गेम ऑफ. कौन सी गेम खेलते थे वो लोग? डाइस. डाइस की गेम्स खेलते थे ना, नंबर्स फेंकते थे और उस पे फिर कुछ भी वो अपना मनी या वट एवर दे वॉन्टेड टू पुट एट द स्टेक वो लगाते थे. So they have lost everything in the game of dice, and now they were given the 13 years exile. 13 years exile means वो दिखेंगे नहीं, 13 years जंगलों में रहेंगे, कहीं पे भी रहेंगे, छुप के रहेंगे. लेकिन और अगर उन 13 years में वो किसी को भी दिख जाते हैं या कोई भी उनको रिकॉग्नाइज कर लेता है, then they have to start their exile all over again. So in 13 years में उन्होंने उनको क्या क्या problems हुई, how did they face and how did they manage to complete, this is all there in this Mahabharat epic book. Now this is one scene where the four brothers, they were walking and they got tired in the heat of the sun, and they planned to rest. Now once they were resting, the brothers, they felt thirsty, especially Yudhishthir, the elder of them. So who will tell me the names of the five Pandavas without reading? Without reading.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
किसको आता है? शौर्य बेटा, what are you doing in this class group? Okay. किसी को नहीं पता 5 पांडवों के नाम? शर्म नहीं आ रही? अरे कमाल है। अच्छा बुक से पढ़ के बता दो, स्टार्टिंग में लिखा है।
मैं बताऊं?
यस प्लीज लुक हियर।
जैम युधिष्ठिर, भीमा, अर्जुना,
ये भी पढ़ के
नकुल,
बता रहे हो? युधिष्ठिर, अर्जुन, भीम और
एम
युधिष्ठिर,
नकुला,
भीम, अर्जुन, नकुल एंड सहदेव। बेटा ये नाम तो आपके फिंगर्स में होने चाहिए अपने एपिक्स के।
Ma'am, can I read again?
सो हाउ ही फेल्ट
Ma'am,
थर्स्ट,
can I read again?
हाउ दे ऑल फेल थर्स्टी, और उसके बाद पानी लेने वो कहाँ जाते हैं? एक पूल होता है, एन्चांटेड मीन्स कुछ मैजिकल पूल होता है, एंड वहां पे इनका टेस्ट होता है कि पानी पीने से पहले इनको कुछ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स करने होते हैं। बट ऑल द फोर ब्रदर्स विदाउट आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस दे ट्राइड टू ड्रिंक वाटर, बट दे फेल एस्लीप। अगर वो एन्चांटेड पूल इन चारों को मारना चाहता तो वो तो उनसे क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछता, सीधा मारता। बट हिज इंटेंशन वॉज नॉट टू किल, ही जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू चेक देयर नॉलेज. So that is why he asked questions. Now, please pay attention and listen to the story.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you're not audible to me.
Beta, I have turned on the chapter in an audio mode.
मैम ऑडियो नहीं आ रही।
Yes, ma'am. And the voice of audio is not coming.
There must be some network issue at your side. Children, you can read it along with the audio. Read it yourself as well. It's a simple chapter. Okay, children. Very simple, easy to understand chapter, but just the basic questions. This chapter has been taken from which ancient epic? Please unmute yourself now. I'll be asking the questions for a quick recap of the chapter.
मैम महाभारत.
Mahabharat. So, which were the two groups of cousins?
मैम Karova and Pandavas.
Kauravs and Pandavas. What were the names of five
Kaurav,
Pandavas?
ma'am, Arjun, Bhim, Nakul, Sahadev.
Please say it in the order of their seniority. So we have Yudhishthir, Bhim.
Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, and Sahadev.
Yes. So after they lost in the game of dice, they were given how many years of exile? कितने दिन का दिया था वनवास उनको?
13.
13 years.
13.
And if they were caught, they had to live in a secret way, a secret life. And if they were caught by anybody, their exile duration would start all over again. So during this time, they faced lots of difficulties, and this was the last year of their exile, the chapter which is being written about, where they were walking and they came across a place where they were very, very tired and they wanted to rest. And since they were feeling thirsty, so Yudhishthir sent Nakul first, and he told that please look for water. When Nakul went and looked for the pool, the voice came that he cannot drink water before answering the questions, but none of them paid attention. One after the other, all the four brothers, without paying any attention to the voice, they all drank water and they all died. Now Yudhishthir, who was intelligent of all of them, he went looking for his brothers, and he was really surprised to see all the four brothers who were so strong, great warriors, they were all dead. But now the magic enchanted pool played its magic again. So rather than feeling sad for the death, he felt so thirsty. So he thought that I should also drink water and then I will look for my who killed my brothers. But the moment he kneeled down, he bent down to drink water, again the same voice came. And the voice again warned Yudhishthir that please answer my questions, unlike your brothers who did not pay attention and they all died. So the questions that the Yaksha, the voice asked, they are very, very important. So first question that he asked was that what is the one best weapon in danger? When we are in danger, what is the first thing or the most important thing that we should have? So he said courage. With courage, you can fight and come out any difficult situation. Second was what is faster than wind? That is your mind, the way you think. By giving up what one does become loved by all. How, see, when we are full of pride, when we don't talk nicely to anybody, nobody likes us. But when we give up our pride, when we give up our arrogance, when we give up our bad behavior, everybody likes us. So he says that pride is the one thing that by giving up, you are loved by all. And then he says that the loss of what can bring joy. So he says the anger. If you give up your anger, it brings happiness and peace in your life. And now the voice of Yaksha, he was very, very pleased with the answers that Yudhishthir gave. So he gave him one wish that, okay, I can make only one of your brothers survive. I can bring him to the life again, but only one of them. So here Yudhishthir says that now Yudhishthir was in a fix. All the brothers were very, very dear to him. सारे भाई उसको बहुत प्यारे थे, लेकिन किसी एक का नाम लेना था. फिर उसने जस्टिफाई किया कि ओके ब्रिंग नकुल बैक इनटू लाइफ. उसने उसका क्या रीजन दिया कि he said that Kunti and Madri, they were the two wives of his father, and Kunti's since Yudhishthir was the son of Kunti, he was alive, so he wanted one child of Madri also, and that is why he suggested the name of Nakul. The voice of Yaksha was very, very impressed with the impartial and wise decisions taken by Yudhishthir. So he brings all of them alive. Water. Water. It is okay. So this is how the story takes place, and all the brothers, they come back to the life again. Children, please mark the word meanings.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 113. Enchanted, in exile, quench, to heed the warning, distressed, page number 114. To avenge, better don't need to write things which are written in the bracket. Monstrous, compelled, limpid, distraught. That's it. Okay, children. Word meanings I have told you which one to write. Your exercise on page number 117, exercise A. Complete these sentences in your own words. I have sent it in the class group.
Six, six, six.
Children, your work till your word meanings should be complete by tomorrow. Thank you, class.